My topic is linking sounds. A sentence in English with how or link words to each other and the words in sentence do not always sound the same as when we say them individually. Because of this linking, there are different ways of linking sounds in English. They are vowel to vowel linking are consonant to vowel linking, but only today I will talk to you about one of the ways of linking sounds. Each linking R is an extra sound that we use between two words when we are connecting these two words together. Is with pronouns. The two words separated. We are not use air sound between them, but it's with pronouns. Then together we say air sound between the words because it makes the words easier to pronounce. Weekly words easier pronounce quickly. Example: for apple, the car is mine, the door is open, my brother is younger. Slowly, four apples, the car is mine, the door is open, my brother is younger. Evaluation activity. Which is now it. We is for A for apple. B. Peace and love. The correct answer is B. Peace and love. Linking sound is when we say sentences in English with joys or linking words to each other. That is A. True. B. False. The correct answer is true. In English, there are different ways of linking sounds. A. 4. B. 3. The correct answer is B. 3.